Elephant Man is denying allegations that he tried to deceive immigration officers to avoid being quarantined after returning from Germany, which is one of the countries on which Jamaica has placed a travel ban due to the outbreak of the coronavirus. Elephant Man, whose flight landed at the Sangster International Airport on Tuesday night, said he is being wrongly accused. In an interview with our Radio Jamaica News, Elephant Man said he did not withhold information on his overseas travels. He added that the immigration officer did not inquire about his visit to Germany.
Rygin King was on the plane, like couple Jamaicans were coming back from Europe. Anyway, when I'm on the plane, my custom farm, it said, stay where you have been for the last 6 weeks. I put Amsterdam. So that's my last show that I just did. You understand? Because everything started closed down and all of the state them and the city them are locked down. So the show them start postponed and we figure best so we just cut it short. So I reached Jamaica airport, the plane, and we walk come around, reach to the custom. So when I reached to the custom, I gave her my farm. So when she see it, she said, where have you been? I said, yeah, Amsterdam. So she said, you been any other place from Amsterdam? I said, yeah, I've been to Sweden, I've been to Berlin, you understand, Amsterdam, yeah. So she said, okay. And she gave me back the paper.
Elephant Man says the allegations being circulated in a voice note are part of a plot to tarnish his reputation.
Me saying that them are with the excitement for and all of them to death. How can you know I go say that and voice note I try tarnish my career and try a big definition of character that you go say me as a boy, the people them for dead and with the excitement for no I lie, your friend overhear me say that. Which friend? Your friend hear me hear say can't go quote. Don't tell lie to people them where they I would never say that after me not stupid and dumb.
Dancehall entertainer Elephant Man.
I came to the airport, you understand? So I have no problem with it. I would never have a problem with it because they are looking out for my safety, my friend them safety, my family safety, my kids them safety.
Dancehall entertainer Elephant Man.
I would say that I have heard also, and I have asked for an investigation to take place. I would prefer not to comment until that investigation takes place, so that I don't make any errors or accuse anyone of anything. But we will certainly investigate it. We expect, and it is required by law, that persons coming into the country, particularly as it relates to from countries of origin that are on the restricted list, that they declare, and if they fail to declare, then they would have committed a breach. And to the extent that we are aware of that, then we will take whatever action is necessary. It's very, very important because we cannot afford to compromise or undermine the programs that we have because someone decides that they will not show respect for what is being prescribed.